Human life cycle. A newborn. A newlywed couple. A burial. Your life officially recorded. Every life has a story, and every birth, marriage, and death is a significant chapter. But did you know that officially recording these events is essential for individuals, families, and the entire community? This is civil registration, and it's more important than you might think. Civil registration is the continuous, permanent, and universal recording of vital events like births, deaths, and marriage. It's a system managed by the government to keep track of important demographic information. Why is it so important?
It provides people with important legal documentation they need to prove their identity and family relationships and make claims of nationality, fulfilling their human rights before the law and their formal relationship with the state. Civil registration facilitates access to essential services such as healthcare, education, and social protection, and it enables political participation, property ownership, recourse to justice, formal employment, inheritance, and the use of banking and financial services. It also offers the basis for identity documents such as a passport or ID card. Civil registration systems should be permanent, compulsory, universal, and continuous, so that they can generate records for the whole population on an ongoing basis over time. As well as providing documents for individuals, a civil registration system generates the most accurate, complete, and timely vital statistics on the population.
Umpisahan mo na ang magparehistro. Importante talaga dahil buhay mo ito. Tanong mo sa kanila, alam nila kung paano. Sa civil registration masasagot. Pwede bang malaman ko ang civil status mo? Baka may asawa ka na. Type pa naman kita. Gusto kong isulat mo. Ako lang talaga sa
Civil registration is a fundamental right and responsibility that benefits everyone. Protect your family, your community, and your future by registering births, deaths, and marriage promptly and accurately. Your life officially recorded because every story matters.